This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying ports and gathering cables. This prevents dead ends. Plug the first external monitor into the laptop using HDMI or USB-C DisplayPort Alt mode. Once connected, power the monitor and set its input to the matching port so the laptop detects it. Make sure the cable is firmly seated and the monitor shows a signal. If the laptop's screen mirrors by default, you will change that later. For now, focus on establishing a clean, stable primary external connection. Once the first display works, choose the single reliable method for the second screen. Daisy chain with DisplayPort MSD or a docking station/USB display adapter if MSD is unavailable. Connect the laptop to the dock or DP out on monitor 1, then link monitor 2. Make sure any USB adapters are plugged into a USB 3.0 or USB-C port and have drivers installed. If using a dock, use the dock's video outputs directly. This avoids. Finally, configure both screens in your OS display settings. Choose Extend, drag to match physical layout, and adjust resolution and refresh rate. Once done, make sure scaling is set per monitor to keep text sharp. If a display isn't detected, update graphics drivers and firmware, try a different cable or port, and enable MSD in the monitor menu if needed. As a key troubleshooting tip, swap in a powered docking station or a known working adapter to determine whether the laptop port or individual cable is the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.